When you buy a service with a warranty, that is not insurance. They're two different things, and I'm going to explain the difference right now. So, when you buy a bathtub refinishing service, it is typical that you get some sort of warranty with the job. But one of the biggest misconceptions is that just because you have a 5-year warranty, for example, that anything that happens to the tub in that 5 years, that you're going to be covered. For those of us in this industry, we know that customers call back about dropping heavy objects in the tubs and chipping it, things that would chip the natural porcelain on the tub itself, even. And then the other part of it, too, is just not cleaning it properly. So they think that accidental damage is covered by the warranty. Realistically, it's like if you have a car, right? Like you're not going to go and accidentally hit the car against a post in some, parking garage and then call up Honda and ask them why they won't fix it for free. You call an insurance company for that. To this point, there's not really any sort of insurance policy per se. I'm sure that it exists in some capacity out there, but with this kind of work, it is usually not something that is done or offered. Now, if you use a very durable product like our TubCast product, because it goes on so much thicker than traditional coatings, it is very, very hard to get it to chip or peel or anything like that. Just because you drop something or damage the surface does not mean that it's covered under the terms of the warranty. Usually that's reserved for delamination, straight up that the stuff did not adhere to the surface, or some sort of defect in the installation, runs, debris in the finish, things like that. So those are just some things to keep in mind.